Today, we explore one of the most fascinating truths about human biology. Your brain is not fixed, not static, and not predetermined. It is constantly reshaping itself, rewiring, repairing, adapting, and learning. The way you think, move, and interact with the world literally changes the physical structure of your brain. This is the science of neuroplasticity. For decades, scientists believed the brain reached its full development early in life and then slowly declined. But modern neuroscience completely changed that narrative. We now know that new brain cells can grow even into old age, new connections can form in minutes, and our habits can reshape neural pathways. Imagine the brain as a living ecosystem, constantly growing new branches and pruning old ones based on how you use it. Every word you hear, every movement you perform, every emotion you experience, they all leave a biological footprint. This is neuroplasticity in action. So how does this happen? Your brain is like a master sculptor, using repetition to shape itself. If you practice calm breathing every day, your brain becomes wired for calm. If you repeatedly dwell on stress, your brain strengthens those pathways instead. This follows a key principle. What fires together, wires together. When neurons activate repeatedly at the same time, the brain links them, making the connection faster, stronger, and more automatic. This is why habits become easier over time, and why learning a new skill feels difficult at first, but eventually becomes second nature. You are constantly training your brain, even when you don't realize it.